Welcome to Real Estate Investors Wealth Academy TV, sponsored by REI Wealth Academy.
Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? This is John with REI Wealth Academy. Want to speak for the third thing on the fourth secret that we have of making a to-do list. And it kind of goes in line with being present with the second video that I did about it. And it really deals even with something going a little bit further into my own walk, my own story with becoming a real estate investor as well. And in reality, it deals with mostly anything. And the idea is it an excuse or is it the learning experience? What I really mean by that is when you aren't able to accomplish a certain task, what is the narrative, what is the story that you tell yourself? I've always struggled with this in different parts of my life, but especially with real estate investing, sometimes I feel like, yes, I'm very good at getting my job done, and when I come home, I'm still a husband, I'm still a father, I'm still all these other things. My kids get sick, I get sick. There's last minute things that come up with friends or family that live far, far away. There's other things, bills that need to get paid. There's taxes that need to be filed. All these things that do come up on a weekly, potentially weekly basis, or a daily basis, or a monthly basis, whatever that is. There's always going to be things that come up. So when they come up and they get in your way of accomplishing the task that you need to do you go to making excuses, or do you go to finding the learning experience out of it? So again, being present with your goals overall. And the reason why I mention all those things is because it's not your fault that those things happen, but it is your responsibility. So just because those things happen, those are things that are going to get in the way of your success. They get in the way of my success. But it is still your responsibility and my responsibility to do the things that we need to do to accomplish our goals, to fulfill our big why. And that's why this comes in the piece of the to-do list, because this is where your actions and the disciplines that you have are really going to continue to get further ingrained into who it is that you become. In my personal opinion, the to-do list and the ability to develop the discipline to accomplish those tasks is really what drives your identity. It's what drives your future. And for people that say they have a big why and they have a big goal that's set out here of who you need to become, and you know where you are right now and you need to bridge the gap, we want to come as REI Wealth Academy into the middle of that and help you get from point A to point B in your life. With that, I hope you guys get a lot out of these videos, especially this week. I wouldn't say that this is the most important, but I would say the big why is absolutely the most important secret that you'll get out of this. But to me, the how is the second thing, where the rubber really meets the road. This is where you see a lot of the transformational change in people's lives occur. It's where I've experienced the most, is when I'm actually disciplined to getting things done. So are you making excuses, or are you taking that and saying, I'm going to make the reason why I failed this, I'm going to accept the responsibility for why I failed at that. I'm going to acknowledge that, and I'm going to turn this into what I can learn from it. How can I be better the next time, tomorrow? With that, this is John signing off. Make sure you follow us at reiwealthacademy.com. Go to Facebook, find the group Real Estate Wealth Investor Academy. Also, if you're in the Roanoke group, Roanoke Real Estate Education Group, in the Roanoke Valley, hopefully we bring in more clubs on as we go through. And this is John. Hopefully we see you next time. Come and join us. Come be a part of something special. So take care.
Decide today you don't want to take a back seat. Finally break your financial life cycle. Learn more now at www.reiwealthacademy.com.